start of the Beacon Rock Trail. I'm at the very bottom. I'll be huffing and puffing later on, I'm sure, here. So, all right. So a little bridge here. Still pretty low on the trail here. And we got a little sign here. It says don't carry any seeds with you. So I clean my boot off so I don't have any seeds there. We got a little bridge here. No water here. But we're going up there. That's where we're headed. Alright, looks like this tree fell right across the bridge here. And they had to cut it. Alright, gotta pick them up, put them down here. Picking them up, putting them down. Well, it's not an easy trail, that's for sure. Big steps here. You gotta get some energy, get that. Oh, now it's a little paved here. It's a little bit better. Still, you got a drop off over there. You're not watching where you're going. You could go. And you can see the bridge where we came from down there. Now we're getting up to the railing. There's some of the other folks there. Okay, we're going up here. Here we go. It's up, up, up. There's a little boardwalk here. Go across. And we're really getting into some parts here that are out here. Go ahead. I'm slow going up, so feel free to pass me at any time. Here. And come up. A lot of rocks here, a lot of rocks. Gotta watch your step. You're up pretty high here. Pretty high. Don't want to slip here, that's for sure. Okay. Well, we're nowhere near the top here. Still going up. Up above me there. Got more switchbacks, numerous switchbacks back and forth here. So I gotta watch what I'm doing. High, still got a lot more ways to go. A couple folks coming down here. Some of our, whoop, watch out, some of our group down there. And, whoop, I gotta watch what I'm doing here. But there's the rest of our group up there. They're gonna wave to me maybe. Nope, I guess not. Another boardwalk crossing. And we're gonna switch back to up there. So I like the boardwalks, they're nice and smooth and quite wide. So, well, there's part of the road up there. There's somewhere we came from, way down there. Still got a lot more ways to go here yet, so got to pay attention to what I'm doing here. I passed back there, said, I asked him if I was at least halfway. He says, you're almost to the top. We shall see. I don't know. Stop here, take a vista view, and take a little rest here too. I'm glad it's a little cloudy because it's a little cooler. I'm not too sweaty yet. Okay, it's still not to the top yet. And I think it's a little ways to go here yet. So that's the trail going down. And it's still going up. Oh, zigzag, 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 zigzag. It goes way up there. So got a long ways to go yet. I'm still not at the top, but there's a little stop here where you can see pretty much far down the river to the dam down there, and looking back over here. So still got a ways to go from down there to up here, and then up, up, up. Got to get moving. Okay, success. I've made it to the top, and after about, I don't know, 300-400 switchbacks, maybe more. I wasn't really counting them, but this is the view from up top. Kind of the same as it was down lower, except a little different viewpoint. But just to say, I did make it to the top. I've been here, done that. Always a good feeling. I'm a human sweat ball, but that's to be expected. And we got a marker here that's kind of worn away, so you can't really see it down there. But I'm going to try to turn around so you can see me. And here I am, just to prove that yes, I am behind the camera I did make it to the top. It's not a hot outside or anything. It's actually pleasant. I don't know what the temperature is, but I'm hot. Whew. This is I think 600 feet, pretty much straight up, but zigzagging, I know. So, but that's the way it is on the back. You can see out and back here. So now I do the easy part of going back down, which is always easier. Gravity doing most of the work for me here. So Ed Gatley signing off. See you later. Bye bye. Hey, this is the way down. I'm at the very top, and I'm starting the quick journey back down. It's gonna be a lot cooler here, but still gotta hold on here. Because there's a lot of big steps right here, so you gotta hold on and be careful. There we go. All right, couple more here. It feels a lot cooler going down, so I'm not sweating as much here. And we'll make a couple stops on the way back here. And oh yeah, this is much nicer going down here. I don't have to work as hard. I still have to watch out for the rocks so I don't trip. And what an accident here. Here's some more folks working their way up here from our group. Alright, so going down here. Going down. See the view from up here. And watch your step here. And going down. I might speed this up here to make it a little quicker, but as you can see, as I'm going down here, way down there, so we're up pretty high here. We're pretty high. Another switchback. You only go a short number of yards and you get another switchback, which makes it easier because you're going back and forth. So it's like, you know, could be worse. Could be worse here. Could be wet too, and it's not. It's pretty dry. So here's another scenic lookout coming up here on the way down. We'll stop, have a gander here. Don't see much in the way of animals. Saw a couple birds, but that's about it. This place, you know, I don't know. But here we go. I'm holding on to the rail for safety, but here's the view out there. And I'm going to stretch this over here so you can see down there too. See it all the way down there. And this is just another view in between the trees. I wish it was sunny, but you can see the dam way out there. It's hard to see on the screen on the GoPro in the back, but it's out there, right about there is the dam. You can see the red and white electrical towers there from the power generating. So we don't have any locks here, even though a long time ago I think there used to be locks, but not anymore. Yeah, this one's a little rocky right here. So got to hold on to the rail going down. Going up, my step was better, even though I was hot. But yeah, careful here. Careful, careful. There's some other people coming down, so we'll back down to some boards. And another switchback here. All right. And of course, another vista. Very nice here. And that, I believe, is the Columbia River, not this thing right here. The river is out over there. This is just some kind of channel or something there. I'm not sure. But very still air. No breeze blowing here. So see some people in back of me, so I got to get going here. Same thing, just a little further down. You got some low clouds coming in there, so if it was sunny, it might be a little more interesting here. But the gray light might be better for filming here in the shade because it's all even lighting then. So one bad thing turns into another good thing then. So still working the way down here, working my way down to the bottom. Da, 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 da. I think we have beer tasting back on the ship this afternoon. I'm not really thirsty for any beer right now. I got some water in my jug, but I'm going to save that till I get back down to the bus here. Big rock here, big rock. Got to go around this guy. All right. Yes, made it. Okay. And there's more trails down there. And coming to another switchback, there's a big rock. Looks like somebody left their sweater here, maybe on purpose, so they didn't have to carry it with them, or they took a rest and forgot all about it. I'll look for a human that fell off. No, don't see any down there, so I think it's pretty good. But come back down, this big rock, heading back down, another viewpoint up ahead. I'll keep the camera on because it's only a short distance. And yeah, a little gravelly here, so watch a step. Got good shoes on though, so shouldn't be any problemos with that. Oh, here we go. We got a little fancy grate here from the old days, I guess. But I don't know what that water is down there, but it's like it's just a little thing that flowed, part of the river flowed part around this island or something. And what those things are over there, it might be for catching fish or something. I'm not sure, but it doesn't look that deep there. Right where those pilings are might be a little channel, but very shallow. And another little creek running down the side over here. And still the power plant way up there, as we come around here. I think I'm in Washington on this side, that's right. Oregon is on the other side over there. So yeah, Columbia River, there it is. And looking back down over the edge. I'm on the edge, both physically and mentally, but come back down here, there's more of our switchbacks up ahead here. Oh, a little slip there. I'll show you this once we get up ahead here, and you can see the other ones. I'll stop when we get up here, like right about here maybe. There's all the switchbacks down there that you got to go to get up here, and those are really zigzaggy right where they are there. So, but I'm going to keep going here. Okay, another one of these little grates here, and you can see a little more of the river down there. Looks like it's clearing up way down there, so hopefully that'll be good. Might get a little sun before the day is out. Well, pretty much the same view as up high. I'm just down a little bit lower here, but you never know, it may look a little bit different here. Still on the trail. It's so much nicer coming down. I'm not sweating. I've cooled off here. I'm relaxed. Chatted with some people along the way. So it's pretty good. Up here I might need my other hand here, so I better stop the camera here. So, okay, hold on. Well, another viewpoint here where you can get an idea of the switchbacks here. There's some folks coming up, and you can see looking out, they're all down here, going all the way down to the bottom there. So we'll get a closer look at that in a minute. To the ground, you can hear the cars a little louder here from the highway over there. And going back down here, you can see there's a plaque over there. We're going to inspect that plaque and see what it says here. Okay. All right. We're going to come across this little boardwalk here, and we're coming up to this plaque. I missed that on the way up, so we'll see what it says. I was probably too sweaty on the way up to look at it. It says, this trail Built by Henry J. Biddle, assisted by Charles Johnson, begun October 1915 and completed April 1918. That's not too bad, really, for chipping this baby out of rock here and everything. So that's what it says there. Then we got here a little precipice. I don't want to lean on that because I don't know how secure that is right here. So I'm not going to press on that. I'll stick to the trail here. Okay. And still not down to the bottom yet here. Still got a ways to go. Another one of the many switchbacks here. We'll stop, take a little peekaboo. More trail down there, as you can see. And we come around here, and it keeps going down there. So, all right, I don't see where that bridge is that we crossed down there, but here's the view up there, and then looking back down over here. We're getting lower, that's for sure. Okay, and we're back down to where that entrance gate was. So I guess it's closed at certain times. So we're out of the main part of the trail, I guess. And the rest of this is pretty, well, not pretty easy, but a lot easier than the part we were just on here. But okay, it's nice we're in the woods here now, so you know we're down lower here. Okay, and we're back down to that bridge which you saw coming up here, where that tree fell over here, and I had to put a new railing in and cut the tree in half here. Where you can see it right there. The top part of it, and I guess the bottom part down there kind of fell out somewhere here. I don't know. No, the bottom part is over here. There's the roots down there, and the top part is the rest of this right here. Okay, we got the thing. It says I gotta clean my seeds off. I cleaned them off before I went up, but I guess I have to clean them off coming down here too. So better do what the sign says. Okay. We're good to go now. Here's another plaque at the beginning of the trail to commemorate Henry J. Biddle for his labor and love for nature, so that this and future generations can enjoy the scenic beauty in this Beacon Rock State Park, September 6, 1937. There you go. Thank you, Mr. Biddle. Somebody put a feather up there too. Isn't that nice? A little bird feather. Okay, there's our bus right there.